So we are going to look at a stretch sequence for the arm, the chest, and the neck, all right? So here we go. Starting off, I'm standing in a window frame. Door frame works just as well. So I've got my arm parallel to the ground and my elbow is bent at a 90-degree angle. And from here, I'm planting my forearm in the frame and I'm turning my body away. And this is good, and this is pretty targeted into your pecs. Nice. All right, and then a variation from here, I'm actually going to straighten my arm, and while I'm still turning away, I'm going to drop my ear to my opposite shoulder, and you can make some micro movements in the neck, and you'll find the stiff spots. Okay, good. So then I'm going to move to where I've got a little bit of wall space, and just to round this out, I'm straightening my arm and I'm extending it above and behind my head a bit. And I'm still turning away, and then I'm just going to walk my hand along the wall, really looking to explore the full range of motion here. And you'll find the specific tight spots, like this is one for me. Really good stuff. Yeah. All right, so you would just do that sequence for both sides and then kind of shake it out and enjoy how open and loose you feel. Okay? Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you soon, okay? We'll see you back at the spa very, very soon. Be well.